Hello, friends. It is spelling today. Today is Wednesday, January 13th. You're doing great on your work today. I just know you are. And today's spelling is a new list. We finished our spelling test the other day, but today we've got a new list. It's list 14. It's right there. List 14. We are only doing this page today. Don't do this page. This is from the last time. So we're only doing this page. What do you do in the event that you do not have this page in your packet? First of all, don't panic. You know that. Second of all, write your answers for today's work on this page, on a blank page right there for you. And so you don't have to write this whole list down. You'll find it if you look at your next spelling paper. You remember, see the spelling papers? This is the one that says this on it. I was like, I can't read that word. This spelling paper has this week's list on it. So if you don't have this one, you probably have this one to use the words. Don't do this page yet. We'll do it together. But if you need these words to fill in these answers, that's okay. You can use that to help you along. Okay, so I'm going to pull up my screen for you or share my screen for you. We're working on this page. Remember, we are only working on this page. Aim for the penguin. That's what we're doing today. It's page 54. I can't do that without Austin here. Austin, I miss you terribly. So here we are, page 54. Let me get a screen up for you. And there it is. I see it right there. Here it is. As always, put your name and your date. Today's date is the 13th. Even if you're doing this on another day, please do the 13th so I'll know when we did the lesson on this. Oh, something just happened. Stop. There we go. I turned on the read aloud function of my thing. That's interesting. I wonder if that works. We'll have to try that sometime. Anyway, here we go. Name and date. I'm going to do mine in cursive. Today's date is 1/1/3 and 21. Okay. Now, I've got a new list here. These are all new words up in here. And so probably the best thing to do is do a say, spell, say on these words that are here together. Okay? So let's do it together. Number 1, face. F-A-C-E, face. Please follow along and do this with me. Number 2, age. A-G-E, age. Number 3, B. B-E, B. Next one, ice. I-C-E, ice. Next we have go. G-O, go. Next one is me. M-E, me. Then we have, they look all pretty easy up in here, don't they? And then they threw us a big one. Okay, so some of them might be review words, some for you, some of them might be new. Either way, this is how we do it. Next word is pages. P-A-G-E-S, pages. Next word is places. P-L-A-C-E-S, places. Next one is no. N-O, no. That's not hard, is it? No, it's not. Next one, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Then we have stage, S-T-A-G-E, stage. Next one is he, H-E, he. Then we have spices, S-P-I-C-E-S, spices. Then we have space, S-P-A-C-E, space. Then we have so, S-O, so. Moving down to my review words. There's my review words. I have pure, P-U-R-E, pure. Next word is more, M-O-R-E, more. Then we have my memory words. Those are ones you should have in your head that we use a lot but are hard to sound out. The first one is only, O-N-L-Y, only. We have the number 1, O-N-E, 1. We have the word once, O-N-C-E, once. Very good. Now, since we won't be in class together, you of course won't have any morning work to do. So you won't get as much practice on these spelling words as we do when we're in the list together or in the classroom together. So you'll need to make sure that maybe before you do every workbook page, every spelling paper, do that. Go down and do the say, spell, say in the spelling, and that will help you memorize those words and how they're spelled, so that when we do the spelling test, you'll have had a little more practice. Okay, it's also never a bad idea to write them down if you've got some free time. Write them down and practice those. Okay, now we're going to our information box up here, and we'll read this together. We'll do this as a read and repeat. Ready? The S sound can be spelled C when it is followed by a final E. Okay, my example here is the word face. I've got a C and it says a S when I've got an E on the end, my silent E right there. Okay. The J sound can be spelled G when it is followed by a final E. Age. There's my example. When a vowel is alone at the end of a word, it usually says its long sound. My examples are me and go. Okay, so we've got a couple of spelling words rules that we're focusing on today. This one has to do with the soft C that says sa. Remember, the hard C says ka. And on this one, it's the soft G that says ja, as opposed to the hard C that says ga. All right? A lot of times, you learn these rules by seeing it work so many times. But the nice thing about your spelling list is that it's got it right up here to refer to, and it helps you put that rule in your head. So let's go ahead and work with this. That brings us down to word sort right here. We're going to listen and repeat the directions. Here we go. Write each pattern word under the correct pattern. And you're pretty good at these. You can do these. Some words are in their plural form. Okay, what does plural mean again? Plural means more than one. This is where these words are talking about more than one person, okay, or thing, whatever it might be. Okay, so basically, this is pretty easy. You've done this so much before, you know a lot of word patterns right here. So on that ACE, you're looking for words over here that have ACE as their last three letters. On this one, you're looking for ICE words. Here you're looking for AGE words. You're looking for words that just end in E without any of these, or words that just end in O without any of these other vowels in them. Okay, now keep in mind that the words you're using for up here are only found in this big list. You won't need to look down here in the review or memory words because those aren't something we're going to do today. So let's read the caption of our picture right here. And if you read it, I know Kylie could read this for me. It says, penguin on the ice. Okay, well, let's doll up our penguin a little bit. Let's make her a girl penguin today. What do you say? I'm gonna give her a little pretty necklace there. Pretty necklace. We'll give her some earrings on there. What do you think? And give her a purse. She need a purse, Brianna? Brianna's got cute little handbags. We'll do one of those. There she go. Now she got a purse. All right. There's our penguin girl. If you want to make your penguin a boy, that's okay too. Just having a little fun with the penguin on the ice today. Let's go back to our work. And it's easier. We've learned some strategies. We've learned a lot of its strategies for doing work papers. These will help you not only in this grade, but through your whole schooling, whether you're in first grade, whether you're in ninth grade, whether you're in college. These little strategies may help you. And one that will help you is that if you're looking for this specific right here, this ending, and you know you're going to use all of the words, look how many blanks I have here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's exactly the number of words I have right here. So I know I'm going to use all of these words. So instead of looking for all of these and finding them first, I could just start at the top and put them in the right spots. Okay, kind of like putting your laundry away. You're going to not pick out all of the socks out of the pile. You're going to go to your dresser and you're going to put this one away in the drawer, this one away in the closet, this one away in the box where you keep them. So it's going to be a good strategy to just go them word by word. So let's start with my first word, F-A-C-E. There it is. If I look at my last three letters, A-C-E, I'm going to look over here. Up, there it is, A-C-E. So I'm going to carefully write. Remember, if it's a skyscraper letter, make it skyscraper. If it's a house, needs to be a house. I've got another house in here. And I've got another house. No doll houses. They need to be the right size letters. Okay. So now we've done face, and we'll give that a little check mark to say we've already done that one. Next word I have is age. Where does that go? Here? No. Here? No. Here. Oh, there it is. A-G-E. There it is. Easy peasy. Let's write it down here. A is a house. G is the subway. Goes down to the bottom. And E is the house. Okay. There you have it. All right. Let's do one more. Next word I have is B. B-E-B. Does it fit up in here? No, it doesn't go with those. There it is. It's got an E on the ending. I'm going to put it right here. B. All right. Make sure I check it off so I don't accidentally do it twice. Okay. I'm going to let you finish these up right here. But before we do, let's go down and look at our memory words. And when you turn this, when I'm done with the video, you can come back if you need to see it again, or you can just finish the page on your own. So this part says memory words, and let's read and repeat the directions. It says, write the correct memory word to complete each sentence. When you use the memory words, here's my memory words right down here. These are the words that are going in here. And let's read my choices again and see which fits. I have only, one, or once. And if I read number 1, it says, there is blank God. A good strategy for these, if you've only got 3, try them all out. Try them on. Try them on like you're at the store trying on a new shirt. There is only God. Kind of makes sense. Let's see if there's one better. There is one God. Ooh, that one sounds good. What do you think? Or there is once God. Now that doesn't work. Choose the one that you think works best. If you think only God should go up here, write only. If you think one God should go up here, write one. And if you think once God should go up here, write once. It's not once. It's one of these two. There you go, gave you a freebie. All right. Number 2 says, Jesus is his blank son. If you think Jesus is his only son, write the word only here. If you think Jesus is his one son, write one in here. If you think Jesus is his once son, write that here. And the last one says, Jesus died for sins, blank for all. If you think Jesus died for sins only for all, write only in there. If you think Jesus died for sins one for all, write one in there. And if you think Jesus died for sins once for all, write that in there. Okay? Very good. Now, go back up and make sure you've finished all of this, and make sure that your words are spelled correctly, because if you don't spell them right, I can't count it as a right answer. And I know you can spell them because you can see them right here. That's another way that we practice on these. So I'm going to let you go for this class. I'm going to let you finish this page. Remember, we're not doing the back because the back went with last list. Okay, so we're only doing this one. If you don't have this page, make sure you write it down. Here are your words. Here are your things. Get it, got a good go. And I will see you next class for, what is next? Science, I think. Science. Okay.